Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can massively increase your performance of a Windows 10 machine. You need to go to search and you need to press start button and R at the same time to open the run window. Inside that you need to write the command temp. Clear all the files in this folder by deleting them. Now again head to run. This time write %temp %. Delete all these files from this folder. Again go to the run window and write the command prefetch. Here you will have to give the administrative permission and continue, and delete each and every file here in the folder. Now go to search bar and search defragment and optimize drives. And optimize each and every drives like this. This will increase your performance of your hard disk as well as if you have any SSD. After the defragmentation is done, head to the startup apps in the search bar. Now disable the apps you don't use oftenly, which I have already disabled here. Like this. Go to settings, go to privacy. Inside privacy you will have these 4 options. Turn off each and every options available in this list. After it's being done, now head to the speech. Disable the speech recognition only if you don't use the Cortana or online speech recognition. Then head on to inking and typing personalization and disable this function too, as it tracks your history as well as your typing. Now go to diagnostics and feedback and disable this tailored experience or view diagnostic data in case it is turned on. After that, go to activity history and absolutely disable 2 of these. And after going to the activity history, you should disable both these, store my activity history on the device as well as send my activity history to Microsoft, and disable this show activities from this account and clear your history. This will definitely boost your performance of your computer. You can go to the background apps here and disable the apps you don't oftenly use, so that these apps will not be running in the background of your Windows. which will definitely increase your performance. And the last thing, you can go to the search bar and search for disk cleanup. This one, it is a Microsoft tool built in Windows itself. You should select the C drive and press OK. This will delete any remaining temporary files available in your system. Just delete these files. It will not harm your PC. If these methods work for you, like, comment and subscribe to my channel for new tech related content which will be coming soon. And if you are interested in games like GTA, you can visit my channel which have contents on GTA 5. Thank you for watching.